Parking lights, driving lights, headlights, high beams, driver blinker, passenger blinker, wipers, horn. Gonna go around the back here. We have your driving lights, brake lights, yes, driver blinker, passenger blinker.
All right, we got our dash lights, our blinker indicator in there, blinker indicator, high beam indicator right there. Those daytime running, your RPM gauge, fuel tank we got half, temperature's at 140. Radio is in the glove box. That's in the glove box. Just shuts there. I'll turn that. And there's our interior lights. The horn button is down there. That's your lights you pull. Hold that for me, wait a minute. All right. I'm going to turn the car off so you can actually hear the and you push this down. You can hear that. That's the blower motor. So the blower motor does work. And to turn that off, that controls your other switches for your heat down below. I think that is defrost, but that goes down like that. So thank you for your business, my friend. And I'll have another video for you when we're loading it up.